Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Here in this video, I discuss difference between petrol and diesel engine, which I want to share with you. Here I noted 15 difference comparison between petrol and diesel engine, which I discuss one by one. So let's start. First point. First point is working cycle. Basically, petrol engine runs on Otto cycle, whereas diesel engine runs on diesel cycle. Here it is the working cycle point. Next is fuel used. From the name petrol engine, we easily understand that petrol is used as fuel in petrol engine. On the other hand, in diesel engine, diesel is used as fuel. Third point is compression ratio point. In case of petrol engine, compression ratio is between 5:1 to 9:1. On other side, compression ratio of diesel engine is between 14:1 to 22:1. Next, fourth point. In petrol engine, carburetor supply air fuel mixture, but in case of diesel engine, fuel injector supply the fuel to engine. Next, fifth point. In petrol engine, spark plug is required to ignition, but in diesel engine, heat of compressed air helps to ignition. Next is pressure and temperature point. In petrol engine, pressure and temperature is less due to low compression ratio. In diesel engine, it is higher due to more compression ratio. Next, number 7. In petrol engine, it is lighter and smaller in weight, but in diesel engine it is heavier and larger. Next point, the initial cost of petrol engine is less and its running cost is high, but in case of diesel engine its initial cost is more and running cost is less. Next, maintenance cost. Number 10, maintenance cost point. Maintenance of petrol engine is frequent but its cost is less, but maintenance of a diesel engine is more and its cost is high. Number 11 point is thermal efficiency point. Thermal efficiency of petrol engine is less. It is about 25 to 35%, but in case of diesel engine, this range is about 40 to 50%. Number 12. Petrol engine has less cranking effort, but diesel engine has required more cranking effort due to high compression ratio. Next is number 13. Petrol engine has more chances of pre-ignition, but diesel engine has no chances of pre-ignition. Number 14. Vibration and noise of petrol engine is less, but vibration and noise of diesel engine is more. And last point, number 15 points. Petrol engine is used light duty work and diesel engine is used heavy duty work. So Here in this video I discuss comparison between petrol and diesel engine. Hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.